Hi, have a good day everyone. We are here right now mga kabalak sa ating cooking segment. Ayan, cooking kwentuhan mga kabalak. So, samahan niyo ako this time. Magluto ako ng isang special na for me, special food for my family. Ayan, lagyan natin ng broth. Ito siya mga kabalak, no? Fish. We're going to cook fish right now. So I don't know what the name of this fish, but actually, as long as fish food, no? So, ayan, we're going to clean it up. We're going to take out the scales. Ayan, so first, no? So, for those my viewers out there, far from this place, so watching this video, hello sa inyo. Hi. So stay tuned for my channel here in my page channel. So ayan guys, I'm going to start na to clean this fish and preparing to cook. Ayan. First, kaliskisan siya mga kabalak, no? Together with kwentuhan tayo mga kabalak. So para hindi masyadong boring tayo, no? Na ano, while naglilinis tayo nito, so yung may upload na naman natin ngayon today is I think 2 videos again, no? Continuation para medyo mahaba-haba siya. So parang may tao doon sa labas dahil the dog will bark. The dog is barking. Yan. That's the sign na there is strangers out there. A guy, a man. Something like reading bills. No? Or they might leave the, what we call this one? A letter, sending letter. They leave letter. So, ganun yan makabalak, no? Pag may tao, yung aso naman, the dog, barking, no? Yan ang pinakamaganda pag may aso ka, no? Alam mo, you might know if there is a strangers or infiltrator, something like that, no? So sa lahat mga viewers ko, yan, sabi nila may subscriber TFC. Hello sa inyong lahat. For those who not already subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and thank you. Ayan mga kabalak. Sa mga viewers ko, ayan, nalinis ko na. Natanggalan ko na ng scales. I clean the scales. I take out the scales. And this time we're going to wash, no? The meat. What we call this one? Nagaganon ako makabalak ba? Yung tayo ko is medyo mababa na because of the lower of the place of the cellphone. No, the gadget. So ayan. I don't know what the name of this fish. If you know, ayan na. I think parang isdang yung sa ano gani, kanang kinailaliman, no? Ayan siya. Yan yung itsura niya, mga kabalak. I don't know what the name of this fish actually. Ayan. So I'm sure masarap ito pag sabawan mo, no? Sa Bisaya pa sabawan. Ayan, no? Actually bigay ng yung kapatid ko na babae. Binigay niya sa amin. Yung pinakamatandang kapatid namin na babae. They give the fish already. So, ayan. Only we're going to repeat again. To wash together, mga kabalak. So, ayan na. Preparing to cook na ito, mga kabalak, no? Meron pa tayong, ito pala, what we call this lemongrass. Lemongrass, mga kabalak. No? Ito yung kitchen namin, mga kabalak, ha? Sana no? Very rugged, very simple. Ayan, mga kabalak. Yung iba na to, dinidikdik dito, mga kabalak ko. Ito siya, ginaganon-ganon siya para yung juicy niya is lalabas siya. You know? They already the juice of this lemon, at what we call this one, lemongrass is might ready to take out easily, quickly, parang ganon siya. So sa akin, ginaganon lang, ganon lang siya. They bend. You already bend this. Sa iba, dinidikdik, ginaganon. Sa akin, ganon-ganon lang. So, the next is we're going to chop this onion. No? My viewers, stay tuned. Yeah. Yung kwentuhan nyo to response is in the comment section. Yan. Sa mga nag-subscribe sa akin na sa lahat, thank you sa inyo, ha. Ayan. For those who have not known, every single time I'm going to prepare food for my mother, because me and my pamangkin and 2 pamangkin sometimes have a visitors, my pamangkin also. So that's the time bibo kami, parang sa ganon siya. Pero I'm already preparing every single time cook for my family, to cook food. Yan, for my mama. So I'm the one who, what we call this one, assister, to assist here in the house, because of my brother. One brother is going to work, and my sister also. So I'm the one to supervise here. So since I'm here, this is my job actually. No? They said also that there is if you adventure taking videos, making videos or vlog, they said they have we're talking about what we call this one, talking about salary or income, in terms of income. So that's why mga kabalak, for my viewers far from this place, out of this country, that's why I put myself in this situation, no, to as a job. So as considered as a job, mga kabalak. So that's why I'm adventure also to make my own videos for vlog. Yan. And this one also mga kabalak. And the other also, it might be crushed down, something like that. This one. So might the juices of this might naturally out, no? So for me, I'm doing like this. I'm doing like this. So the boiled water might be absorbed in what we call this one, the body, this the whole luya. Ano? Mahirap pala mag-English. Makabala. Basta yung iba nito dinidikdik, ginaganon nila, ganon ba? So para maglabas yung natural juices niya, no? Sa akin ginaganito lang, oh, yan, no? Oh, ginaganon, no? Ginaganon. Hindi may insert the water inside here. Basta alam, ganun makabala. Hindi masyado ako sa English. Pero I'm trying to practice for all the my subscriber, foreigner, if there's some cases of that. If there is, my viewers, so they can understand. However, no, even slight my English not pulido, what we call pulido. Huh? Ginger. My mama told Ginger, she teach me Ginger. So the ginger may kabalak, the other might be crushing down, something like that, no? Para the natural juices might out easily. Yeah, di ba? For me, not, no? I might going to kulikot-kulikot. So, ayan makabalak, oh. This another, what we call this, sibuyas dahon. Ano bang English at sibuyas dahon? Sa English, ano makabalak? Hindi ko alam yung English nito. Sibuyas. Basta. Hindi masyado ako sa makabalak, eh. Sana maintindihan nyo, no? Mga viewers ko na mga foreign na makapanood sa akin, no? Ayan. Prepared na yung natin, no? So, balik natin, ayan. Then clean, no? After preparing, so I'm going to clean it up. Yung time check, malapit na makabalak. So, I think we continue the videos right there if we start to cook, no? Ngayon, preparing lang first. Ito, nag-i-English ako, effort to speak English because just in case there's my viewers, foreigner, no? Out there. So, yun man yung ginagamit usually. Yung language, kahit nagustuhin natin yung the other language, I might not know actually, and that English a little bit I have, so that the one I use, no? So you have to understand that, no, my viewers. Mga kabalak, if you just want to know, balak means what you going to do. What is your balak? Balak means plan. What is your for example, I'm balak to do this thing. Balak is to intention, to intent to do something. That's the name, the understanding of balak, no? Sa lahat ng hindi alam, they did not know the balak. Balak is to intend to do something. So that's why balak. So mga kabalak, until next time, the time check natin is kunti na lang. So we're going right there in a cook area, no? So right there to continue to having kwentuhan or having a conversation. So I think we see you again, mga kabalak, no? Wala na tayong time. So Preparing lang kasi tayo ngayon. Prepare. Ayan. So, see you again, mga kabalak, mga viewers kong foreigner. And sa lahat nag-subscribe, thank you sa inyo. Sa lahat. Ayan. Until next time.